More organizations are expected to support OUTA's legal challenge of the newly signed AARTO law.
The organisation Undoing Tax Abuse wants the licence demerit system reviewed. The President signed the Administrative Adjudication of Road Traffic Offences bill into law on Tuesday. AARTO will come into effect once it's gazetted.
Sunday, 18 March. Another horrific crash. This is what authorities hope to avoid. Curbing lawlessness on the roads and reducing a spiralling fatality rate. AARTO introduces a points demerit system for traffic violations. Road users lose points for offences, which may result in the suspension and cancellation of a driver's licence. You start on a clean slate with 0 points. Each road infringement results in a minimum of a 1-point demerit and a fine or penalty. When a maximum of 12 points is reached, your driver's license is suspended for 3 months. A license is cancelled when it's been suspended for a third time, which is the equivalent of 36 demerit points. The system introduces more far-reaching penalties. Road users could have their driver's and vehicle licenses renewals blocked if they fail to pay their licenses. Offenders will not be allowed to appear in court to challenge a prosecution. Fines and notices will be served via email and reminders sent via WhatsApp and SMS. Civil bodies have raised concerns, saying it won't improve road safety and focuses on revenue collection, which could open the door to corruption.
OUTA engaged with stakeholders in the transport industry, with Metro Police Departments as well as the public to get their input regarding the AARTO Act. We have made submissions to Parliament, the National Assembly, as well as the National Council of Provinces, and we've written twice to the President regarding the inefficiencies and the legal challenges of the AARTO Act. All our submissions have been ignored, and on legal advice, we've taken the decision to go to court, to approach a court, mainly on the constitutionality in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution.
To say that the new AARTO law will help to improve road safety is one of the biggest lies told by the Minister. We have won 4 High Court cases against AARTO, and it's not against the system, it's against the working of the system and them not complying to the Act. So at this stage, no fines for you will not go against AARTO. We will first wait to see how they're going to implement it.
We are concerned about the bill as it stands at the moment. We believe it's flawed. We believe that the provisions in the Act are more geared towards revenue collection than actually dealing with the issues of road fatalities in South Africa, and we base that on the fact that a lot of the provisions in the bill at the moment seem to be weaker in terms of the demerit points for certain infringements.
Taxi body Santaco has also taken issue with the system.
Given the nature of the unique nature of the taxi industry, rather, we were concerned over the widespread reports around the reliability of the IT system of AARTO, and noting that noting the thousand taxis operating on our roads. We're concerned about the level of offences that may come out of that. Given that for those hours spent on the day, you are bound to have offences, and hence we implored the Portfolio Committee on Transport to, if you like, categorize the offences between major and minor.
The Transport Minister, though, is positive about AARTO. Those targeted by AARTO have mixed feelings.
This is not good because now I am taking my child to auditions, and if my license is suspended, how am I going to do that?
According to everyone will try to be careful, because once you will think that if you make anything wrong, next step you will lose your license.
This thing is unfair because sometimes the fault is with the car and not us drivers, and we end up with these points against us.
In the making since 2013, AARTO has faced a slew of court challenges. More are seemingly on the cards. Nozintombi Miya, SABC News, Johannesburg.